my car. I got my harnesses in. I got the back seat taken out right now. I'm probably going to keep it out. I'm going to eventually put a rear cage in there. Got the carbon fiber pillar pod, or the carbon fiber dash pod, which I had in the previous video. Got my access port going right there. Alright, so just to show you guys what my current headlights look like. So here right now I'll put on the Demon Eyes. So this is the blue Demon Eyes that I've got in here. Here you can see the lines from the glue on the lens. It doesn't actually make any vision problem at night. It just looks, yeah, you can just see them on there. But there's the Demon Eyes. And then here, I will lock it real quick. So you can see the amber on the halos. That's how it looks when it's got turn signals on. And then when you unlock it, the normal halos come on. So you can see there the halos, which are pretty mean. But yeah, that's basically how that looks. And then it's got 8K HIDs for actual headlights, so pretty sweet. Let me go ahead and pop the hood. So that way we can take off the front end easier. So there you have it. Basically stock. My EVO is basically stock if you guys don't know. I've got this cold air intake right here, AEM. I've got an ETS one I want to put in over in that box. Replace this with. I don't really like the AEM, but I'm going to be selling that. And then I've got my Grimspeed electric boost control back here. You can see it back there. Grimspeed 3-port electric boost control. And that's really it. Just those two things, and I have it tuned. I had the carbon fiber overlay for these, and for the cooling plate up in the front, they were carbon fiber Kevlar. I took them off, I sold them. I'm going to be going with carbon fiber in like a purple color in the future. So this engine cover is going to be coming off. I'm going to get the wire hidden on the valve cover and get the valve cover dipped in purple carbon fiber. It looks like real carbon fiber. It's beautiful. The strut bar, I've got one from Password JDM. I'm going to be getting. It's bigger. It's like got multiple supports. I'm going to be powder coating that purple. When I get the ETS intake put on, the heat shield, I'm going to powder coat that purple. And then I'm going to have carbon fiber goodies throughout the thing. So yeah, it's kind of just, it's really dirty right now. I've been gone for 5 months. See, my ballast is just hanging out up here. So I'm going to be taking these things out today and hopefully putting in some new headlights. So yeah, first step is take out the front bumper, which that's so much fun. So we're going to go ahead and do that. installed. So I've got the demon eyes on right now, as you can see. So I've got with the Bluetooth controller, so I can do flashing and then different variations of that, and then I can change the brightness here to different levels. 100% looks the best. And then turning off the demon eyes, I have the halos. So they flash amber when you're unlocking, and then they turn on to white. Don't know how well you can make that out in the GoPro. You can't really see the halos, but they look really good in person. And then going around to the car, we've got the HIDs, which they're warming up right now, but basically the outer one has the HID, the inner one is just for the demon eye. They're dummy projectors, but you can't really make it out on the camera, but the outside one lights up and then the inside one does not. But and then you put under brights, and the outside ones do brights also. So these are way brighter than my old ones, which is great. And I didn't have brights on my old ones either, so I might have to mess with the settings to raise up the actual beam. Like, I made a video on that for my old headlights, because out of the box like this they were a little bit too low down, but I'll have to drive at night to determine that, if that needs to be done or not. But now I've got my old headlights, which these are custom headlights. They're blacked out with a single demon eye, a single halo. You guys saw them earlier in the video. I'll be putting those for sale for now. So, you know, if you guys are interested in custom headlights like that, you get them probably a lot cheaper than you could brand new from someone. Yeah guys, that's it. So I finally got them installed, and that's what they look like. And I'll probably have better pictures of them and videos of me driving like later down the line. For now it's just in the garage, but alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Alright.